Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to make your Discord server more vibrant and organized, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to show role colors next to names on Discord Mobile, so you can easily spot who's who in your favorite servers. This guide is fully updated, so let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open up the Discord app. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile icon. You'll find it in the bottom right corner of the app. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you're in your user settings. Here, you'll see a list of options to customize your Discord experience. Scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. In this section, look for and tap on Accessibility. This is where you'll find a bunch of helpful features designed to make Discord easier to use. Once you're in the Accessibility menu, scroll down until you see the Role Colors section. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option that says Show Role Colors next to names. By default, this might be turned off. To enable it, simply tap the toggle switch next to this option, and that's it. Now, whenever you're in a Discord server, you'll notice that the role colors appear right next to usernames in the member list and chat. This makes it super easy to identify admins, moderators, and other special roles at a glance. Not only does this feature add a splash of color to your Discord experience, but it also helps keep your server organized and easy to navigate. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. See you next time.